In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a new project in Vercel. Whether you're deploying your very first app or just spinning up a quick test project, we'll go step by step so you know exactly what to click and why. By the end, you'll have a project created and ready to deploy on Vercel. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in. If not, you'll need to sign up first, but once you're logged in, you should land on your Vercel dashboard. This is where all of your existing projects live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. From your dashboard, look for the option to add something new. Typically, you'll see a button labeled Add New near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This is Vercel's main entry point for creating or importing anything new into your account. After clicking Add New, you'll see a few choices. Today, we're focused on creating a new project, so choose the option labeled Project. This tells Vercel that you want to set up a new application to deploy, rather than, for example, creating a new team or something else. Once you select project, Vercel will ask how you want to create it. At this point, you have two main paths. The first option is to import a Git repository. This is ideal if your code is already stored in a Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. When you choose to import a Git repository, Vercel will guide you through connecting your Git account if you haven't done that yet. Then you'll see a list of your repositories and you can pick the one that contains the project you want to deploy. Importing from Git is powerful because Vercel will automatically set up continuous deployment for you. That means whenever you push new commits to the connected branch, Vercel will rebuild and redeploy your project. If you're already using Git and working with a remote repository, this is usually the best option. The second option is to clone a template. This is perfect if you're starting from scratch, trying out a new framework, or you just want a working example to build on. When you select Clone Template, Vercel will show you a gallery of starter projects for popular frameworks like Next.js and others. You can browse through these, pick one that matches what you want to build, and Vercel will create a new project for you based on that template. It essentially copies a ready-made code base into a new repository you can customize. Take a moment to decide which approach fits your situation. If you already have a project in Git, use the import option. If not, or if you want to experiment quickly, choose a template to clone. Once you've chosen either to import a Git repository or to clone a template, Vercel will show you a summary screen for the new project. Here, you can usually review the project name, the framework detection, and any basic settings. When everything looks good, look for the button labeled Create and click it. By clicking Create, you're telling Vercel to set up the project and prepare it for deployment. Vercel will initialize the project, connect it to your Git repo or template, and typically start the first build automatically. After a short wait, you'll see your new project listed in the dashboard, ready for further configuration, environment variables, or immediate deployment. That's all there is to it. You've now created a new project in Vercel, either by importing an existing repository or by cloning a template.